You're finding it choking, थोड़ा tight लग रहा है? Now, remember what I said. Do not stand, do not wait for the other person to come. You should walk towards the other person. You should walk towards him and he should walk towards you. The problem you should go towards the problem, the solution. You should not think about the problem. Ready? Stand straight. Hands to the position. I want you to walk and hug the solution. Right? You know, when you reach a solution, when you have a problem and when you get a solution, you should be so happy that you should go and hug it. That's what I want you guys to do. Walk straight, 1, 2, 3 and hug. That's how eager you should go towards the solution. Right? You're ready? Not like that. You're not going to break the solution. Right? Clear? Are you ready? Yes. You think you can do this? This is a thicker rod. You still can do it. Okay, guys. You're going to see how when we go through the problems as quickly as possible, you will come out without a nishan. Okay. Come on, guys. Are ready? Yes. Okay. On the count of 3, you guys will walk towards each other. And forget about the rod. Just look at the solution. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk fast. This is how it is. This is how it is. Okay. You still have a small nishan, but it's much lesser than others who are having. Good show, guys. Now for the turn for the girls. Ladies, here's your chance. You can take it as your souvenir for your house if you want. Remember, you can go and tell your wife that you bend this. Gala mein rakho. Okay, come on. 2 of you. Okay. Very interesting. 2 ladies volunteered. When I said that I want volunteers, initially it was difficult. Now, what is the change? Now when I called you, it became very easy. What changed? जब मैं पहले आपको बुलाया तो आप पानी पीना मोटिवेशन was it motivation? Motivation तो पहले भी था. Demonstration. Sorry? Demonstration देखा. The problem is most of us don't want to be leaders inherently. You want to be followers. Somebody has to take the leadership. जब मैं आपको बुलाया आपको आने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. अभी आप देख लिया बोला कि कुछ नहीं होगा. कुछ हो सकता है. You're going to do this, and after that, you're going to have you.
Let me schedule some interviews now. हाँ लेकिन अगर दूसरे बंदे ने ज़्यादा फोर्स लगा दिया तो वो क्या?
Not really stop. Don't stop. You're finding some choking. है ना? Yeah, it has to be. That's the way it's supposed to be. You're finding choking. You know the technique. How is your hand supposed to be? At the count of 3, all you're going to do, just walk towards the solution and hug that solution. Right? You should not say how fast, how slow, क्या है, क्या नहीं है, कुछ नहीं देखना है. You just have to look at the solution. Look at each other's eyes. You're looking at each other's eyes. You're ready? You can do it. At the count of 3, you're just going to walk. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! Walk. You know what? Bacha, why did you walk? You found it difficult. What happened after that? Come here. I want to show this as a classic example. Come, stand here. You know what? Classic example. You didn't walk. You have a She walked. The simple thing is, if you get this past this problem as quick as possible, you will not have an issue. Let's have one more. Can you just help me? Sir, please come. Why don't you come, sir? One more. Sir, you want to come here? Great. Okay. So now we have trust and damages. So no problem. Say it. This is how fast. Say it. So, sir, again, please don't wait for the other person to come. You have to go towards the solution. And please walk. जैसा कुछ बोले ना, like a man, ego. Somebody was giving me example of Yanendra sir was giving me example of ego. As a man, you should have an ego, and as a man, you should walk also. Don't wait.
With ego.
Right? Yes, with ego. Strong enough, sir? Strong enough? तालियां बजाओ यार, please. Come on. Sir, don't shut your eyes. You can actually आपका solution इधर है.
आज बॉस से बदला नहीं लो.
Solution सामने खड़ा है. Okay.
दोस्ती करो बोलो.
And she's so happy. Parul is so happy.
Till the time I'm recording, I don't want to be there.
खुश नहीं थी, अभी पूछा था खुश है.
Keep it here. At the count of 3, just walk and hug each other. 1, 2, 3, walk! Walk, 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 walk. Good. You are very afraid, sir. You are very afraid. You were. You closed your eyes. You closed your eyes. You closed your eyes anyway. Okay, great. Come on. Somebody else wants to can I request you to go and relieve our good friend Poonam from that job?
My name's Parul.
Parul, I'm sorry. Why did you say Poonam Mahajan?
No.
I'm sorry. I'm getting old. Okay, come, Parul. Go to how do this come? You know what? I had a discussion with Parul before. And I told to Parul that Parul, I want you to do this. She said, you know what, I have seen this before, but I was afraid to do it. I said, why you are afraid? She said, no, I will never able to do it. Parul, now you are motivated. What changed? What changed? You're still apprehensive. What are you apprehensive about? You saw so many. Look back. Look back. All these things were done by people like you. So what is the apprehension? That's very, very common. Taking the first step. Everywhere that's the first step. In fact, there were some people who were talking about glass walking. Some people who talked about the fire walking. I have done glass walking, fire walking. In fact, we will be doing in the course of next few months. You know, in all these things, whether it's glass walking, fire walking, rod bending, standing on the knees, juggling with the fire balls, there's only one problem, taking the first step. The moment you take the first step, just go into place. So may I request you not to fold. That one sheet will give you enough protection that you need. Come on. No folding, man. No cheating. Okay? That's fine. That's fine. So you don't have to tear. I just don't want you to fold it.
First year it should be most care. First year has very they have only courses to do.
If you try to answer your own question, let me ask you what is this? You're not married? Your boyfriend? You don't have boyfriend either? Good, no problem. You'll have to still answer to your parents, right?
You are warriors. Yeah.
Okay, great. Parul, what's your name? Seema. Both of you are ready? Parul, you'll have to look at her. Ready? You find a solution here? You think this is a problem? No, great. You think only about the solution. I only a solution. At the count of 3, you will walk. Do not wait for the solution to come. You will walk towards the solution. Clear, Seema? Clear, Parul? At the count of 3, you just have to walk and forget about everything. Just walk and hug each other. 1, 2, 3, walk! Nothing. Don't worry. You want to do it again? Great. Motivation. Okay. Since I see that your skin is slightly tender, I would allow you to have 2 folds. Can we give her this liberty? Yeah. And she's married, so she has to answer someone also. Okay. Remember, the thing is, you didn't take the first step. Take the first step. Don't take the second step. That's okay. But take the first step. Do not wait for Seema to come for the first step. Parul, you have to do it. Don't think about Seema. All you have to do is think that this is a wall and you will have to walk towards the wall. The wall will not walk towards you. Are you clear on this? Okay, hold on. No, you are put in the wrong place. This is the right place. Okay, you're finding a little choking sensation. It has to be choking sensation. Okay, now at the count of 3, you're just going to walk. Do not wait for the other person to come. The solutions will not come to you. You will have to go towards the solution. Are you clear? Are you clear, Seema? At the count of 3, you're going to walk towards each other. 1, 2, 3, walk! Walk, 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 walk. It's alright, no problem, no problem, no problem. It's alright, alright, alright. You know what? Applause. Guys, taking the first step is always the challenge. If you all realized here, what happened had she taken the first step, you would have walked on. That's the problem. Most of the time, when you expect for the solutions to come, you will not be ready for it. You should walk towards the solution. We will do it once again. I will ensure that I don't want to do it now, but I will ensure that we will do it once again. Can I have one more volunteer, please? Come. Very, very simple. Just shut your eyes and think. Think of the greatest achievement you have done in your life. Guys, you can do more. It's just a small 6 mm, 8 mm rod. This is nothing. Don't put it here. You will break your computer. And friends, do not try this on your own. If any of you want to try it, please ask me, I will tell you. There are places where you are supposed to keep. If you think that you can do it at your home, there are instances where people have lost their lives. So please do not try to do it at your home. If you want to do it, call me up. I will tell you how to do it. Hands. Right position. Okay. Right? Looking at him. Okay, what is he? He is solution. What do you think? Key solution. This is nothing. Problem is nothing. All you have to do is bend the problem. Don't worry about the problem. Just go towards the solution. Are you ready? Great. At the count of 3, you just have to walk. Remember, you see what happened before you. If you wait for the solution to come, you are going to be in a problem. Okay, you will have to walk towards the solution. All of you are ready? Okay. On the count of 3, you're going to walk. Remember, you will have to take your first step. If you don't take your first step, the other person is going to take the first step and you're going to be there where you are. Okay? At the count of 3, you're going to walk. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! Oh. Guys. What happened? What happened? Why did you take the first step? Then what happened? What What do you guys think? What happened in this rod?
Do happen.
Sorry? What did he do? What did he not do? What happened? Why did the rod did not bend? Any reason? It happened twice in Parul, it happened once with them.
I think somebody started before 3.
You start with something? I don't think so.
Yeah, that's why.
I don't think so. Somebody noticed it very carefully, you would have known.
We have not taken a stable.
No? Wasn't it going sideways? And then it slipped? It slipped from your leg, right? Why? Why did it slip? First are you going?
Yeah,
No problem.
I'll have to.
No problem, sir. Please go ahead. Just two more rods. Roll it by once again. Okay. Remember the hands and don't go sideways. Right? Tissues, please. Guys, you can do it. It's so simple. There are many people before you do it. Do not stop. Just walk. Remember, many people before you have done this. You will have to do it. No, just come. It should be right over there. Come close a little. Is it choking? Okay. Now, at the count of 3, you just have to walk and hug each other. Don't think about anything else. Hands in the position. Just don't think about anything. Just walk and hug each other. At the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! Great. Thank you very much. Okay. Who else is pending, sir? Okay, please come, sir. So where do you come? I'm going to throw this rod out and I'm going to take one more rod. The thickest salia you can ever get. 12 mm. Stronger than the ones that were there. You can see the difference, right? You can see the difference? You can find the difference? I'm not joking. Okay? Today, we are going to do this, bend this rod. Normally these rods are bent by professionals. Today we are going to make 2 banking professionals do this. Okay? You know the technique. Do you? You've seen rods being bent before this. I'm sure you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. Are you sure you can do it? You have the confidence? You can do it? Okay. I need to have your attention, please. What you're going to do now is something which has never been attempted before. Bending a 12 mm rod. If you can bend this, you can take it as a souvenir and you can keep this till your grandchildren and their grandchildren. Say, look, my grandfather has bent this with his leg. Paper, please. One safety precaution in this, if you don't see the opposite person, no, if you see the opposite person going behind, do not push. Stop there. Clear? There's only one safety precaution, that if you see the person, opposite person in this rod going behind, don't push. You will never be able to bend it there. Okay? Clear? Clear, sir? What's your name? Sudeep. Yanendra. Here we are. And please ensure that the focus is right, because this is the culmination of today's program. No, we still don't give you that liberty. Yes, you can just keep it like that. Don't fold, just keep it. Whether you fold or don't fold doesn't make a difference. Friends, lot of lessons from this learning. Okay.
Seema?
Both of you feel the choking sensation? Over here. Over here. Okay. Heart here. Okay. Yes, here. Don't put it on the bone. It should not be on the bone. Not on the bone. Here. You should actually find it choking. Okay. Remember, if you see the other person going behind, stop. And if I say stop, please stop. Do not push. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Ready? At the count of 3, you're going to walk towards each other. Remember, whether it is 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm or 12 mm, doesn't matter. What matters is the motivation. What matters is the determination to go towards the solution. Are you ready? Are you ready? At the count of 3, they're going to walk together. Walk together, take the first step together and walk towards each other. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! 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 You need to take this, because this, you can go and check with everyone. This is a professional grade. I wanted you to wait because of this. I wanted to prove to you that you can do as much as what a professional bar bender can do. You go to YouTube, you will see professional bar benders bending this rod. Not those rods. Those rods anyone can do it. This is a professional bending rod. You're okay, right? You're okay, right? You can do it. Who else have not done? So please come. Great. Who else? सर आप तो कर चुके हैं? नहीं, आप तो उसके साथ हैं. No, I don't want the height difference to be this much. अरे कुछ नहीं, अरे come on, he's feeling. Okay, some issues, please. And last match these two girls, they will do it. They have already done it. They've done it. The ladies have done it, right? You've done.
No, Deepti hasn't done it.
Try more, kuch nahi. The next is you and me. Okay. What's your name? Right? Have you ever done experience? Sure? Wonderful. Your skills are little soft, so there is a chance that this will get slip and go inside. And I told you, where is the side going there? Chalega? Great! This is... There is a bowl back here. Okay, come. Okay, don't put it on the part was the first one. Okay? Okay. Right. Okay. You're ready. You're already motivated. I don't have to say anything to you. Okay. At the count of 3, both of you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! Walk, 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 walk. Come on! What happened to you? What happened to you? Look, come here. Look at this. Look at the Nishan and there's no Nishan here. Come on! You should have walked. What stopped you from walking? Okay, no problem. Sirji, come. Sir, come. Both of you. Okay. No. I thought you were taller than this.
विशाल
आपके लिए क्योंकि आपका हाइट है ना थोड़ा.
अरे वो भी तो है.
Aryan? No, we'll have him at this. We'll do it. Ready? Look at each other's eyes. At the count of 3, walk towards each other. Don't wait for the other person to see you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! Walk, 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 walk. Hug each other. That's it. That's it. Do it. Okay, next. But Janendra sir, I never expected you to do it. Seriously, I actually wanted to tell something, but you didn't give me a chance to tell. Okay, come. It is marvelous. I mean, you recorded that, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to show it to people because 12 rod bending is a pure professional business. Unless you have the motivation, you would not have done it. Who else was there? You. Kudos for this. You go and do a Google search on bending 12 rods. Not possible. You can actually take it home because nobody will believe otherwise. If you go to someone and say, I did a 12 rod, they will not believe. Seriously, it requires tremendous amount of motivation. Okay, come, start. Ready? Okay, okay. There's a slight problem in this rod, and that's why this rod was kept out. It's slightly shorter rod. It's slightly difficult for you guys to do this. But if you follow the techniques, ये कुछ झगड़ा करने के लिए नहीं है. ऐसा होना चाहिए. Okay. Please remember, it is very easy. This is a shorter rod, but if you remember, your seniors have done it with a bigger rod. You can definitely do it. Can you do it? Can you do it? Count of 3. I want both of you to walk together. Do not wait for the other person to walk. You've already seen when somebody waits, he's gone. Okay? See each other's eyes. Don't see anywhere else. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Walk! Walk, 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 walk. You did not walk. Look at this. He didn't walk and he started bleeding. Just take it off. Small bleeding, that's it. Zyada nahi hai. Who else? Don't worry sir, that will go off. I know. छोटे से. आपने नहीं किया? तो पीछे बैठ के क्या कर रहा था? ऐसे मौका छोड़ के जाओगे. Who else? मैं. Very good. मुझे कौन मोटिवेट करेगा? Okay. आपने नहीं किया? Who else have not done? You have not done? Come. Okay. Normally we have not tried. I've done many times anyway. You can see me doing it in Google and I can show you. You go to YouTube and put my name and see me doing this. Okay, friends, slightly tricky positions. When you have sometimes problems, and sometimes the problems and solutions are not same. The solutions will be sometimes can solve a lot of other things other than the problem. Or the problem is so big that one solution is not sufficient. So, होता है ना? There are many times when you have problems where one solution is not sufficient. Here we have a solution. He is standing here. probably she may not be the only solution. What's your name, sir? Vishal. 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 Remember, when you walk towards the solution, you could go with an open mind that this solution may solve your problem, or you might have to look at other solutions also. Walk carefully. Don't rush. You would see that this solution can solve not just this problem, but many more problems of yours. This is for you. This is for you. You have so many problems, not just this problem. So this can solve many more problems. So what you should show? You should rush towards the solution. Because आपके एक solution को problem पे नहीं, बहुत सारे problem को solve करेगा. और आपके लिए ये एक solution काफी नहीं है इस problem के लिए. बहुत सारे solution चाहिए. इसलिए don't rush. Walk slowly. You walk fast. Clear? Clear. The moment you see her not walking, you will stop. You will not push. You are ready? This is not the stance. I want you to stand properly. Okay. You're sure you want to remove the chappals? Okay. Fine. ऐसा नहीं है. Yes. Don't remove your hands. Because the hands. Can I remove your sticks, please? You can see him. Sure. You can still see the solution. No problem. Okay. At the count of 3, just walk. Don't think of anything. You walk slow and steady. You walk fast. The moment you see her not walking, you will stop. You will not push. Clear? But you will continue pushing. Is it clear? Okay. At the count of 3, I want both of you not to think anything. Just think about each other. You just have to think about him and he just have to think about her. Okay? Do not remove your concentration to anything else. Just look at each other. Don't see anywhere else. At the count of 3, I want both of you to walk surely and steadily towards each other. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk! Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Okay. Look. I want you to take a short step forward. Why don't you remove your shoes? Remember, this solution can solve a lot of problems. What you did was right. You stopped. The moment you saw that the solution is still not starting, you stop. Very good move. Life also it's like that. When you find that, you need to stop, there are sometimes when you have to stop and then you have to start. Are you ready now? You're okay? Are you okay? Can you do it? Okay. Can you do it? I want you to fold a little bit. Fold. Fold it before. One more. Yeah. Okay. The final act. You're ready? You're ready. Have your concentration. What I want you to do is, I want you to breathe. I want to breathe slowly and surely. When you breathe, take the third breath, hold your breath, and you have to walk. And I want you to put one leg forward, put that leg forward, put that leg back on a running stand. You stand straight, okay? We are going to breathe together. Third breath, I want you to hold that breath and then walk. Clear? Did you understand it? Did you understand it? Remember, we are looking at, there's a difference in this, there's a difference in the power of both the people. We need to adjust that. I'm going to do an exercise which will increase her power and reduce his power. That's what I should be doing. And that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, she is standing in a stance which is already giving more thrust. So I'm increasing her power, I'm reducing his power. And to moderate both of them, I'm going to make them breathe along with me. Okay? One in and out, second in and out, third in, and then you're going to walk. You're clear? Okay, ready? Look at each other. Do the breathing. 1, in, out. Second, in, out. Third, in, and walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Great. You did a wonderful job. Wonderful job. You know what? You're hurt? I'm sorry about it. Okay. This is very, very dangerous. Of all the things that we did, there were 2 things which were dangerous. One was what you did. It was not dangerous, but it was difficult. Because that's a 12 mm rod, which is nearly 2/3 the size of more than this. And second was here. When you have people who are of different strength joined together, you did an excellent job. Congratulations. Friends, we come to an end of this. This is just a rod. It means nothing for your life. Nothing for your life. Okay, you go home and you tell people, some people will believe you. Some people say, सट्टा मार रहे हैं. Some people will say, अरे rod bending क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, मैं भी करूँगा. उनको ये पता नहीं, when someone tells like that, take your finger and put it over here, where this rod was there. And give a small push. Small push. Like this. And tell them, how does it feel? Then they will know what you understood. What you have taken through. You have proved that mind is stronger than matter. But the lesson doesn't stop here. You have to take it home. It is not just bending a rod. Next time when you find there is a problem that you are coming across, remember that you could bend an iron rod with just the skin. Remember, none of you use your bones. Did anyone use your bones? No, it was not in your bones. It was in your... Okay. It's so simple. If you remember that you can bend an iron rod, you can do anything. That's the lesson of today. Thank you very much.